Have you ever seen water flow upwards? Sounds impossible, right? Well, this anti-gravity water drop humidifier makes it happen. It uses smart optical technology to create the illusion of water moving against gravity. It's like magic. But it's not just about looks. This is a powerful humidifier that adds moisture to the air, helping you breathe easier and feel more comfortable. Plus, the soft ambient light and relaxing water sounds create the perfect vibe for your bedroom, office, or any cozy space. If you love futuristic designs, need a little stress relief, or just want a unique conversation starter, this is a must-have. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more awesome gadgets.